Alright, I got a couple of 10-pound plates here, and I got a little Olympic bar. It's actually a dumbbell handle, but it's like got collars like an Olympic bar. And I've got these new XYLsports quick release barbell collars. A pair of them. I got them from Amazon. I want to try them out. Alright, get them out of the box. Oh, there's some tape on there. It says open. Alright. I don't know why I would need a bag for my collar. I mean, save some money and drop the bag. The box, this is just a plastic. Yeah, I guess. Some instructions there. I don't know what they really could tell you. I guess how to open and close them, but I'll show you that as well. Thank you for your order. Have a good day. Slide the collar over the bar and place each collar next to the weight, then squeeze the lever down until it clicks. To remove, press the buckle and pop up the quick release lever and slide off the collar. Securely fastening plates on bar during training. Quick release locking mechanism makes it on and off. Effortless, negligible amount of weight. Amount of weight only. Oh, the collars only weigh that. Negligible amount of weight. Made of high strength nylon non-slip rubber. Come with a travel bag so the collars are easy to transport and won't get lost. I'll tell you, maybe. I would say just if you're traveling, just clip them to the bar. Anyway, let's go around with plastic. I picked the red collar. I thought it was fun. Let's see. Alright, so they've got some rubber inside. They got the plastic. They got the, I call these lockjaw style. I believe a lot of people do. Let's just put them on the bar here. Alright, that's on the bar. Alright, take them off. It's actually much easier than that. I've done these in like one press before. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I've used locks like these before. Let's try the next pair. Yeah, I'll tell you, they feel like they're clamping down pretty good. A little tough to close, probably first use. They're really tight. Okay, let's put some weight on there. Come on, tight. The other side. Alright, there's the weight. Let's kind of do it end to end, see if they slide. Not sliding. I mean, probably should stand up and test them with 45s as well. But, you know, I'm not going to start a second camera session. I'll just include in the text how they do with 45s with this bar stood up vertical.